Good morning everyone. My name is Samisha Gavande and today's my non-technical topic name is how to maintain the healthy friendship. We all know that the friendship is always important for our life. Uh, uh, a strong friendship is simply said we shared a strong bond with friend and provide the support, companionship, loyalty, honesty, etc. So, the maintaining a healthy friendship, it gives the efforts, mutual respect, and understanding. It's more important to maintain the healthy and good friendship. Loyalty, trust, honesty, then emotional support, communication. It's a key point to maintain the healthy friendship. So we will discuss the key points one by one. First one is the communication. Communication, it's a fundamental and crucial role to play maintaining the healthy friendship. That is the open and clear conversation or honest conversation or communication is very important to create a strong bond. Conversation or communication to create a strong bond, trust, honesty, as well as sharing the other activity by increasing the by build up the trust. So the communication is the important key point to maintain the healthy friendship. Then second one is the support. It's also important to maintain the healthy friendship. In that condition, our friend is in tough condition, then it give to a emotional support, and in positive way for the success it give a positive emotional support to that friend. So the emotional as well as other support are required to build up the friendship. Then next point is sharing the activities for interest. Is simply said the sharing the activities like hobbies of both the friends, or take participating in the competition to build up the friendship. um, the hobbies, games, and other activity we perform, both the friends are performed together to build up the friendship. So the activities and interests are also important to maintaining a healthy friendship. Then the next key point is trust. Trust is the most important factor between the two friends. um, trust is important to make the healthy friendship. The more conversation between the two friends can easily trust with other friends by sharing their thoughts, opinions, and reducing their conflict is also important aspect to maintaining the healthy friendship. Reducing the conflict or avoid gossip of each other. Then a misunderstanding or attitude behavior, it also be avoided to maintain the healthy friendship. The attitude, aggressiveness, and misunderstanding behavior which break to the friendship. Then the next point is support and trust. Also communication is also important to maintain the healthy friendship. Maintaining the healthy friendship to build up our bond, by sharing the thoughts, opinions, and other activity to build up our friendship bond. It's all about the aspect and how to maintain the friendship. In this topic, we will discuss about how to maintain a friendship by the efforts, loyalty, trust, um, and the key points like communication, emotional support, trust, loyalty, then respect is also respect acceptance is also important in maintaining the healthy friendship. Thank you.